Hola, me adaptas.
Shut the hell up.
Vamos otro. Oh no.
Hola, I am... No.
I don't know, I'm trying to do something. I'm trying to spark conversation here. I'm doing more than you guys right now. I'm trying to learn Spanish.
Nuevo mapa.
Ban him for speaking Spanish.
Nuevo mapa.
How do I speak Spanish? Hola. He's part of my team, so I need to communicate with him.
Me gusta pus.
Oh wait, that's not Spanish. I should probably read before I speak.
Hola, que dicen?
What does that translate to? That doesn't mean anything. Dumbass. Oh wait, I put it in English. Hi, what are you doing? Obviously, he's being eaten by a goddamn Happy Meal. He's saving your life.
My name is Papito Bueno.
You know how many people want this username, Papito Bueno? Apparently 22 other people do. I need a band-aid.
Me muero, ay.
Easy!
Muero.
Pablo!
Goodbye.
Yeah, goodbye, because I'm killing you. Hey! Oh my god, I'm such an asshole.
Yes, yes.
Hey.
Okay, let's go.
Oh shit! Why is he doing that? Kill him! Kill him! Attack him! They're probably planning that shit out, speaking Spanish to each other the whole time. God damn it, I tried to get a gun, but now I have to wait 906 segundos.
Oh no, you have to wait 906 segundos.
I don't have time to wait 906 segundos.
Hola, hola reindeer. Como? No, como? Oh no, it's a shooting. Oh no, it's a Mexican standoff.
These guys are having a goddamn Mexican standoff over here, or Brazilian standoff.
Man, you guys are going loco over here. Look at all these dead bodies. Hello.
He just reloaded his gun.
Yeah, we will fuck you up.
No! Stop! What the hell?
Man, fuck you, Holmes. I fuck you up, Huz. Man, you guys are loco. I wasn't even trying to do anything like that. Molestas a puto rudo. Oh no.
Apparently somebody just got molested over here, so I think that's my cue to leave right now.
No broma, tengo 11 madre mia willy.
Now he's talking about his madre's willy. I don't want to know about your mom's willy.
No, son, malas palabras.
That sounds like, malas palabras. That sounds like some Harry Potter shit. What does that mean? Sounds like I'm casting a spell.
Yo chupo grande pene.
Did he just say like big penis? What is it? Grande peni. I suck. What? FTT6. What? Why are you saying that? And why is that not censored?
Hello, my name is Juan Alvarez.
Wait, why is he just teleporting back and forth? Come back to me,
Juan Alvarez.
Wait, why does he keep disappearing from me? Come back into my life, Juan Alvarez. Oh, he's gone again. What's happening to him? I think he's gone for good now.
You know I can find you, Juan Alvarez.
Hey, estoy en el patio. Okay, hey, I'm in the yard. Yeah, no shit, I'm in the yard too. Oh, me, my cigar? That sounds racist. What'd he say? Follow me. Oh, maybe they're trying to do some elaborate Mexican escape plan. I'm gonna follow these guys.
Siento.
What'd this guy say?
Lo siento.
I am sorry. Oh no, look at him. Oh no, mi amigo's getting locked up, Holmes.
The category is cold winter, but everyone is speaking Spanish. Like, what if they live in Mexico or something? They're all gonna be in beach clothes. Mexico doesn't have cold winters. Just as I explained, beach clothes. Exactly what I said, another tank top. I'm gonna try to fit in with the rest of the crowd.
Español, 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 español,
Come on, reply to me.
Voten por Nino Martino, Lalveros, Aquino, a todos a vote.
Which translates to, hello, my name is Matilda Cute, and I speak Spanish. Espanol? Sí. Hey, we got some conversation going, guys. Azul, which means blue in Spanish. It doesn't relate to the in-depth conversation we're having right now, but it's a Spanish word that I know. It means blue. Okay, we're gonna put in an ear exploder real quick. Oh, holy shit, this bitch came at me real quick. Did you see that? Oh my god, I'm actually having conversation with her.
Hello, but hola is hello.
Oh, English. I need to work on my English skills. Okay, what does this say? English?
I'm having trouble reading this English.
Right now. Really hot one. There we go, dude. Die, Amanda. She's safe. No. Yeah. Elmo! Wow! Hello! Me in the bathroom. Let me in, please. Oh God, there's already one in here. How'd you get in there?
I don't know. That's not in the real piggy.
Alright.
What has happened? What?
He's like giving me an analysis.
Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God!
Eh! Oh my! Oh! How am I supposed to do that? Add L. Don't make fun of me. Oh wait.
Oh, it looks so weird.
Okay, I did. Ah! You gotta move backward and move forward. Yoink! Yoink! Bro, why? Ah! Okay, yeah, that wasn't that bad.
I'll just. Oh, okay.
Straight. Yes! Oh my God! That's
Wanted.
Robux. Think about that, bot.
Your family hates you, and your viewers wish you were dead.
Ask me.
Me? Yeah, me. Is Jake Paul a sociopath? Yeah, he is a sociopath.
Online daters.
Hello, I can tell your fortune. What kind?
Very careful. I see you getting hit by a bus. Be very careful, James. I must go before someone sees me.
All right, now we go. Goodbye. He just accepts that and then just runs away. He's taking laps around the McDonald's.
I will not get fat. I will not get fat. Stop saying that.
Scared. Ooh, the girls are already not liking him. All right.
Oh no, you're becoming fat. Oh no.
How will the babes like you now? You can't run this off.
Sad.
He is desperately trying to run off the weight, but it's not going to work. You're stuck like this. I told you. You laughed in my face. Who is doing this? You! Stop eating! Death will only make it worse, I swear to
I am a YouTuber. I will tell your future, Mimi Locks. Tell me you will have millions of fans. Millions. Thanks.
Not making everyone say,
I subscribe Mimi Locks. Do you watch my channel? Yes. We watch Mimi Locks.
she's like running inside right now.
Look, you have millions of fans now. Go entertain them. Or they'll unsubscribe. How? Go make them laugh now.
Look, this guy subscribed Mimi Locks is what I forced him to say, or else I would kill him.
They should watch my fun videos. Quick! Or they'll unsubscribe.
Bye. What do you mean, bye? I hate Mimi Locks! Dislike Mimi Locks! Dislike!
You ruined your channel! Mimi, they unsubbed! I can't believe this!
And where are the chat? Shut up!
I did it!